Considering Chapter 7 Bankruptcy in Georgia, understanding this debt relief option can help you regain control of your finances. Chapter 7 allows you to discharge most unsecured debts, including credit cards and medical bills, providing immediate relief through an automatic stay that halts creditor actions. To qualify, you'll need to pass Georgia's means test, comparing your income to the state median. Most people filing Chapter 7 can protect essential assets using Georgia-specific exemptions, such as your home, personal belongings, and retirement accounts. During the bankruptcy process, you'll attend a meeting with creditors, guided by a bankruptcy trustee who reviews your case and manages asset liquidation. Remember, certain debts like student loans and child support usually cannot be discharged. If you're considering bankruptcy, speak with a Georgia bankruptcy attorney to determine the best path forward. Chapter 7 can offer a fresh financial start, but has lasting impacts on your credit. If you're considering bankruptcy, speak with a Georgia bankruptcy attorney to determine the best path forward.